Good morning, guys. Today is 4/25th, 2021, and this is a review about XRP. Now, in the last review, I told you that XRP is one of the coin who did very terrible in this bull market. First of all, it came very close to that confluence zone. It didn't even really. If we get a little bit closer, take a look at this. This is the highest close monthly we have, and we barely touched that zone, and then we had a massive rejection. This candle will close in five or 6 days, and if it stays like that, I see a terrible future for XRP, honestly, if they don't have any substantial change in their fundamental. Now, as I start my analysis on a bigger time frame, this is not a good news for XRP. It's been a while since XRP never really had a good news in terms of long-term play. Now, on a weekly time frame, we have some hope because of this 55.99 cross exponential moving average. So XRP finally confirmed its uptrend on a weekly time frame. I think I've told you about this trend triangle about to form here, but that's the only bullish sign we really have on a big time frame for XRP. Now, these candles, that massive rejection right there, is a real problem. The reason why it is a problem is because this candle is like this last candle on a weekly time frame will close today in around at 7 p.m. and if it stays like that, this might literally turn out to be another swing just like the one we have here. All XRP need is a bad news to go down again. So this is something we need to pay attention to, but like I've told you before, I don't really see XRP going through that confluence zone and actually win what is supposed to win for the bull market. We have a few months to go, and probably we're gonna have to be stuck in a sideways market. So I don't know. XRP is really looking forward to be a good shorting coin for the next bear if it ever comes somewhere here. Now, on a daily time frame, I'm gonna go ahead and look for that. XRP was one of the first coins to turn red on the histogram since April 21st, and then XRP is maintaining that correction pretty good, we'll say. But the problem here is that line, because this line is a purple line, and as you know, purple on my chart means that's a line that's directly from my monthly chart. So XRP will need to go over that line and stay over that line for at least manage to close over it for at least 30 days and stay over it for another 30 days. I don't know if the bull market have that much time left in it, so we just don't know. And then after winning that monthly line, it will have to beat the weekly line and finally the daily one. So that's a lot of work, especially since the bull market is almost like 2 years old. So we don't know yet. Now, the other thing that we have here is this downtrend line. This downtrend line is a very close one, very interesting, but we do have the same structure on Bitcoin, and this is a potential downtrend line, and I want you to pay attention to that, guys. Not every touch is actually a reaction, because this entire thing is one reaction, and this is one reaction, so every time we swing is a reaction. So I've seen beginners counting every single one of these as reaction. We're like 1, 2, and 3. This is confirmed. This is not necessarily true. Okay, a candle can literally go through that. This is not necessarily true. You need to have a wave, then a touch, and a wave, and a touch. So for me, this is just 2 touches. Okay, we need a third one to confirm that trend line, and when we get that trend line, that will be the second coin you might need to pay attention for a swing. I am more Ethereum trader, but Ethereum is not doing this. This is what it was. Now, the fact that Ethereum is not doing this is not a bad thing. Maybe we're gonna have to talk about that another time. So what we're expecting, we got a few times to go, a few 4 hours to go, and then another drop like this. Eventually go through this and take a swing. But I will be very conservative when it comes to swing on a long position on XRP, but it still can be a good setup if we do have some good fundamental, especially some good fundamental. Now XRP is a little bit really look like Bitcoin right now. That's the reason why I did those 2 reviews at the same day. They really look alike. The only difference is that XRP did not make what it was supposed to make for this actual bull market. This one is literally on his way to die if it stays like that, you know. So this one is literally part of my short list. Check this, I'll show you. It's part of that short list. It's right there. So we're gonna have to pay attention to that, and especially that downtrend line. Same situation for Bitcoin. So that's it for XRP right now, and remember to join the virtual Bitcoin server, and so that we can have more discussion about these, and I'll be able to answer all your questions, guys. All right, guys, take care. Bye.